How to set up WhatsApp for the first time. So let's get started. Tap the WhatsApp icon to launch the app. Read and accept WhatsApp terms of service and privacy policy. Select your country code and type your phone number. Tap Next to proceed. WhatsApp will send a 6-digit verification code on your SMS. Enter the code to verify. If you have a previous WhatsApp backup, Google Drive or local, choose to restore chat and media. Now you can enter your name and optionally add a profile picture. Now you are all set. Begin chatting with your contact who use WhatsApp. Make sure your phone has an active internet connection during the setup. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.